Canary Wharf Underground by the remarkably busy Norman Foster. This was once the West India dock where the Empire's ships unloaded bananas and sugarcane. Now it's a stop on the Jubilee line extension, unloading business magnates and financial wizards in the heart of the new docklands.
This is so fabulous. I mean, it's so
fantastic, isn't it? Just fantastic.
The judges descended into Foster's concrete cathedral, looking bouncy at the front and stern at the back.
It's bridge building and it's done in a most beautiful way, isn't it?
It's like a railway station that's been put underground. It's
But I
nothing
like
really
that.
to do
No,
with
that's
going...
what I like about it.
I know.
Sense of drama.
Yeah.
They're led by last year's Sterling Prize winner, Amanda Levitt, designer of the new media centre at Lord's, followed by the editor of the RIBA Journal, Amanda Baillieu. Then there's Tracy Emin, Britain's leading confessional artist.
Look at those columns, how slender they are.
It's Santolia, actually, isn't it? Yeah. It really is.
It's so good.
They join the formidable architect Eric Parry, and on the left, Michael Manser, designer of the Heathrow Hilton, former president of the RIBA, who's our chairman.
If you chuck enough money at something and it's Norman doing it,
Yeah,
doesn't it come out...
more expensive than everything
No,
else?
doesn't it come out, you know, you get this kind of result?
It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It's Grand Central Station.
In New York.
It's got that same kind of...
But it reminds me.
It's that sort of space.
It does. It makes you feel really important.
You're not scuttling down a tunnel like a rabbit.
It's very inhuman, isn't it? It's very...
You find this human?
It's not very cosy, is it?
My problem with it is I don't think this station should be put in on its own. It's the whole of the Jubilee line that really has, I mean, it's already had recognition and is, you know, fantastic achievement.
It's monumental. It makes you feel really important. It's calm. It's so controlled. It's restrained. It's elegant. It's extraordinary. I am absolutely bowled over.
Nobody's tried to do anything too smart. They've gone for making it simple and understandable and plain, and that's very difficult. And the other thing is, the only thing I really criticise here is the rolling stock, the trains. They're just updated 1930s. It's really quite disgraceful when you think how they could be.
I find it quite masculine, quite heavy, and quite fascistic as well. And I wouldn't like to be here, say, 9 o'clock at night getting a tube. I find it a bit, it's like kind of quite right kind of setting for some sort of like thriller film or something.
This is pure Italian futurism from the 20s, drawn into late 20th century engineering. It's a fantastic feat, very beautiful.